Big jump in the number of pending homes that are selling. Those are the ones that are under contract. Single family Orange County. It's up about 150 homes. Now, why is this? Here are the real numbers. 631, that was the number of homes that were pending under contract last month. Jumping, let me take a peek, to 783. That's a huge jump, especially at the summer market. We would expect it to be going the other way, or at least flat, but no. It's encouraging to see that those homes, Orange County wide, single family, they are still transacting. Good sign for the market.
I'm Kiwi of the coast, the agent with the most.
Right, back to the data. Let's jump in and look at those sales here. Single family, Orange County, of course. So last month, 1171 sold. Okay, pretty good. About the same as it was a year ago, 1,073. And in fact, 1,037 is the latest data from July. So pretty static. For the last 5 months, we've seen it over 1,000 homes selling per month. That's pretty consistent month after month. Does that mean? Well, no one's worried too much about what's going on in the Middle East. No one's too worried about what's happening with interest rates. They're just enjoying living in Southern California and buying those homes right here. Days on market, that's always curious to me. About 30 days on the market seems to be about the average single family Orange County. And a year ago it was 33, currently 32, prior month 28. It's kind of bobbling around right at that 30-day mark, especially for the last 6 months. Now, prior to that, it was in the 40s, but that's not a huge difference. It's really only about 10 days either way for days on market. That's the time you put the home on the market to the time it goes under contract. 30 days, you can live with that. That's a very strong market. Active listings, we are hoping for some relief here. Prior month, about 3,200 homes on the market. 3520 was the number of homes on the market in the prior month. It dropped slightly to 3,486, looking at the numbers. A year ago it was 3,647, so we haven't had any great major increase in the number of listings. The trend overall, it's buoyant this time of year. We're starting to see more listings, and of course at the end of the year we've seen a drop off in the number of listings. I think when Santa comes, people take a bit of a break. Average list price, well, again, that's been pretty static. And we look prior month, we're at 2.568 million. Average list price, single family in Orange County. It dropped a little bit in July, down to about 2.3. And if we look to see what it was a year ago, it was around 2.2 million. So over year, we've seen that average list price lift a little bit. Last 5 months, it's been bobbling around as low as 2 and a bit up to 2.5. That's quite a significant change over the last 5 months. But really, when you look at the depth of market, it just means that certain types of homes are sticking a wee bit longer, raising the average up, and the ones that are being pulled off the market lowering the average. So not too much to worry about there. Strong market. We're not seeing any great decreases in the average list. Average sales price is next. Average sales price, I love looking at that. Now, last month, around 2,083 million was the average sales price. It raised and went up slightly to, cheating, look at the numbers, 2.134. A year ago, it was 1.88. So we're seeing that average list price going to sales price increasing. So average sales price, we're seeing it increasing year over year. It's stuck right in the 2s all the last 6 months, and that's good news. So we're not seeing any drop off. And the delta between the average list and the average sale for Orange County single family is pretty tight. So if you're asking 2.2, you're probably going to get 2.1. The real estate market, always constantly changing, isn't it? So click on the video that's on your screen right now so that I can keep you up to date with the changing market, the rates, the inventory, days on market, all those factors affecting you, the real estate market. We'll see you on the next one. The Room.